Hi, today we're going to work on lesson 5-6 in the math book. Starts on page 329. And today we're going to be solving word problems using addition and subtraction. So I'm going to be using some blocks and drawing some dots. If you have anything at the house like beans or even little Legos or something that you'd like to use to help solve the problems, you can do that as well. On page 329, it says Jose has 5 more erasers than Lois. Jose has 7 erasers. How many erasers does Lois have? Write your answers below. So it says Jose has 5 more. Jose has 7. This tells us how many Jose has. So Jose has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Jose's box has 7 erasers. And then it tells us that Jose has 5 more than Lois. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put these in a line. And I'm going to make a line for Lois that is 5 less. So, okay, so Jose has 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are his extras. These are what Lois has. These 2. So Lois ends up with 2. So what we did is we took the 7 minus the 5 that says he had 5 more, and that gave us the 2 left over. So 7 minus the 5 more gives us the 2 that Lois has. All right, let's look. On page 330, Steve has 13 books. Claire has 4 fewer books than Steve. How many books does Claire have? So Steve has 13. Claire has 4 fewer. So here we're going to make a row. I'm going to have to use 2 different colors here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's all of Steve's books. And it says Claire has 4 fewer. So I'm going to take 4 of these away. And that will tell me how many Claire has. So he's got 4 more. She's got 4 fewer. So we take those 4 extra away. What is she left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hanging off the end here. So 13 minus these 4 give us the 9 that she has left. And if we write an addition fact for that, we just use our fact families. 4 plus 9 equals 13. So Claire has 9 books. All right. Sal has 8 more magazines than Gemma. Sal has 15 magazines. How many magazines does Gemma have? So we're going to put our 15 magazines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, he has 8 more than Gemma, so let's go ahead and take those 8 off of here. Those are the extras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the extras that he has. Whatever's left is how many Gemma has. So 15, take away the 8 extras. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Then we write it as an addition fact. 8 plus 7 equals 15. So Gemma had 7 magazines. All right. Go ahead and pause the video. Work on the word problems on page 331. When you're done, turn the video back on and we will go through it together. All right. Alan picks up 3 toys. Then he picks up 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many toys did Alan pick up in all? In all means we're going to put them all together. So we had 3. He picked up 8 more. How many does he have now? 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 plus 8 equals 11. He picked up 11 toys in all. Jack makes 5 fewer fruit cups than Sandy. Sandy makes 11 fruit cups. So let's make our row of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They're not wanting to stay there. All right. So Sandy has 11. Jack has 5 fewer. So I'm going to take 5 of these off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because he doesn't have those. So how many does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Jack makes 6 fruit cups. Oops, I wrote that in the wrong line there. I meant to do it up here. So we started with the 11 that Sandy has. We took away the 5 fewer because Jack doesn't have those. What does he actually have? 6. All right, fill in the missing number for the model or the equation. Choose addition or subtraction to solve. Harry has 5 fewer buttons than Tina. Harry has 7 buttons, so it tells us how many Harry has. So Harry has 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Now he says this is 5 fewer than Tina. That means Tina has more. So Tina has 5 more. So I'm going to put 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Harry has 5 fewer. This is how many Harry has, 7. That means Tina's got more. She's got 5 more. So how many buttons does Tina have? Well, Harry had 7 plus the 5 that Tina has more of is a total of 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Tina has 12 buttons. And looking down here, 7 plus 5 equals 12. Mark calls some people. Jane calls 8 people. They called 17 people in all. How many people did Mark call? Well, we know that Jane called 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they called a total of 17. So now we're starting at 8 and we're counting up to 17. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is going to be how many people Mark called. Jane called these 8. Together they called 17. So how many did Mark call? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Mark called 9. And when we put these together, 8 plus 9 gives us a 17. So how many did Mark call? 9. All right, let's look on page 332. Ashlyn had some stuffed animals. Whoops, sorry. She gives 5 to Anna. Now Ashlyn has 7 stuffed animals. How many stuffed animals did Ashlyn have before? So we don't know how many she started with. She gave 5 to Anna. Now she has 7. So now, let's go ahead and do our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is what she has now. She gave 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we put these together, it will tell us how many she started with. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. She started with 12 stuffed animals and then gave 5 away. So she had 12 stuffed animals before. Lucy and Tim find 15 bottle caps together. Tim finds 7 of the bottle caps. How many of the bottle caps does Lucy find? Well, we know altogether it's going to be 15, so that's our biggest number. If we take away what Tim found, we'll find out what Lucy found. So let's start with our 15. You know what? I'm going to draw dots for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to cross off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many dots are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Lucy found 8 bottle caps. Number 8, draw a model to show the equation, then write and solve the equation. So 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Take away 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's left? 5, 6. So 16, take away 10, equals 6. Number 9. Tanner's family has 3 more pets than Ava's family. Tanner's family has 7 pets. How many pets does Ava's family have? So Tanner has 7. I'm going to go ahead and do the lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is Tanner's. Tanner's family has 7 pets. They have 3 more than Ava's pets. So I'm going to take 3 of them away because they have more than Ava. So how many does Ava have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ava has 4 pets. So we take the 7 that Tanner had minus the 3 extra. And what are we left with? 4. All right, it is time for you to do the homework practice on page 333 and 334. When you're done, come back and turn the video on and we will check your answers. All right, up at the top, it's just saying that you can use addition or subtraction to solve word problems depending on what the problem's asking. So it says draw counters to show the problem, then solve. Shelley has 10 pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She gives some to Nola. Now Shelley has 6 pumpkins. How many pumpkins did she give to Nola? So I'm going to save 6 of these. I'm going to say we started with 10. I'm going to save 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And whatever's left is what she gave away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So she gave Nola 4 pumpkins. So we're going to use take away for that one. All right, page 334. Victor writes 10 more poems than Anne. Anne writes 10 poems. How many poems does Victor write? So Anne has 10 poems. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's her 10 poems. Victor writes 10 more than that. So I'm going to put another 10. So we're actually going to have 10 plus 10. So what is 10 plus 10? 20. So Victor wrote 20 poems. He was busy, wasn't he? Number 3. Barb has 13 crayons. She gives 6 to Javier. How many does she have left? So we start with 13. I'm just going to draw pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. She gives 6 to Javier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do we have left? 13 minus the 6 that she gave away, and we are left with 7. Barb has 7 crayons left. Now, number 4, you'll have to do on your own. It says write a story that uses the word more. So somebody has more than somebody else. Then solve. So please do that. Send a picture to your teacher or ask a parent to check that one for you. Number 5, Sam draws 6 fewer pictures than Tina. Tina draws 15 pictures. How many pictures does Sam draw? All right, it says draw or cross out counters. So here's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. She draws 6 fewer, he draws 6 fewer. So I'm going to cross off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what's left? 15, take away 6, equals 9. Sam draws 9 pictures. All right, please take a picture, give it to your teacher, and have a great day.